Hi guys! So, for today's video, I hope you don't mind my daughter playing around. For today's video, medyo umaatiko po tayo kasi I'm going to feature two products. First is, I have the viral Tirtir Mass Fit Red Cushion. I only got the mini size, you guys, because I want to test it out first before buying like the full size. Kasi hindi biro ang presyo nito. Itong maliit na to, 4.5 grams, and this is around like 500. Depende kung saan ka bibili. I got this sa Shopee. Sa Shopee, merong official store yung Tirtir. Pero there are also stores na nagbebenta ng mga legit products na from Korea talaga. I got the shade 2-in-1 Ivory and I'm pretty sure it's the wrong shade. Pero I'm going to order another one if this works on me. So, pakita ko muna sa inyo. Ito yung mini size. So, pag inopen nyo, ganyan yung itsura niya. May mirror. Here's the cushion. And then, yung mismong. And then, ito sa loob yung mismong ano. Tingnan ko nga anong itsura niya pag... Yep, this is definitely not my shade. Pero ang point is gusto ko lang makita yung performance niya. Kung bongga ba talaga siya at bakit siya viral and all that. Ngayon guys, ang meron lang ako sa face ko is my skincare na in-apply ko like roughly 15 minutes ago. Ang promise kasi is prevent smudging of makeup sa mask, 24 hours persistence, 72 hours makeup persistence. Basta long-lasting daw siya, full coverage, at parang hindi nag-transfer, something like that. Pero there's a proper way daw of applying this. Kasi ang daming mga influencer na natsatsakahan dito. Kasi pag in-apply nila, alam mo talagang madiin sila mag-press dun sa cushion sa loob, and then sa kanila ilalagay ng ganon. Hindi daw ganon dapat. Kasi a little goes a long way. Just press 1, ganyan, kanipis as much as possible. And then, gamitin mo daw itong part na to para maging parang lagayan. And then, saka mo siya unti-unting i-apply sa face mo. Ay, oo nga. Be, a little goes a long way nga. Ang gentle na nga ng pagkakaganong ko, tapos tinap ko pa dito. Pero look at that. Guys, dito lang ako kumukuha literal ha. Dun sa tinap ko. Look at the difference. Honestly, nasushokit ako. Kasi first of all, totoo yung a little goes a long way. Tiny bit. Huwag kayong parang, ito na yun, pwede na yun. Kasi yung ito na yun, pwede na yun. It covered like half of my face. Tapos, meron pa akong konting natitira dito. Ayan yung kukunin ko. Ayan o, meron pa rin siya. Well, not as much as yung meron dito. So, let me just dip another one. And then, tatap ko ulit dito. And then, I'm gonna finish my entire face. I am rarely impressed with cushions. Kasi una sa lahat, hindi talaga ako mag-cushion. Because hindi siya pang mabilisan. Alam mo yung, ang tagal mong magaganyan para mapantay yung mukha mo. So, cushions are not my favorite. Pero alam mo yun, nasa season ulit tayo ng cushion foundation. And itong Tirtir, totoo nga talaga ang chika, babe. Totoo ang chika na a little goes a long way. At kapag maayos mo siyang na-apply sa mukha mo, maganda talaga ang itsura niya. Pero ang problema, wag niyo akong gayahin. Get your perfect match. Get your perfect shade. Teka, itadamay ko na nga yung leeg ko. Para naman hindi masyadong malayo. Maganda yung lapat niya. Lalo na kapag dinahantahan niyo ang lagay, yung konti-konti lang, hindi yung talagang drastic na boogs. Pag yun talaga ginawa niyo, magiging super cakey yung magiging itsura niya. Kasi nakikinita ko na, this is just one thin layer. Pero like, happy na ako sa coverage niya. Wait, I'm going to get konti pa. Dito lang sa under eyes. Kasi parang ang dilim pa rin ng under eyes ko. Hindi siya parang magiging flawless compared sa liquid foundation and a beauty blender or beauty sponge na application. Alam mo yung ganon. Pero for a cushion and for yung ganitong applicator, ang ganda na ng lapat niya. Sana lang talaga I got the right shade. Oo. Ang ganda niya sa camera. And maganda rin siya in person. Well, tingnan natin kung gaano siya magiging long-lasting on my face. Okay, next product is ito sa mga na-request nyo. This is the Kiko Milano Unlimited Double Touch Liquid Lip Color. This claims to be transfer-proof, kiss-proof, 12 hours. Ayan. So this is what it looks like. This one is quite expensive, you guys. This is currently, while I'm making this video, this is 1,050. Pero dahil sige, na-request ninyo, pagbibigyan ko kayo. At, alam nyo kasi, curious din naman kasi ako dito. Kasi, remember, back in the day, usong-uso yung Rimmel London Provocateur. Tama ba? Yung parang double-ended din siya. Color dito, and then sealant dito na clear gloss lang. So, I'm hoping na ganun din siya ka-powerful kasi yun super-duper powerful talaga yun. Pangit nga lang pag nag-chip na. Pangit yung pag-chip niya sa inner corners. Okay, so this side is yung doe foot applicator natin. And then over here is yung parang, I don't know if this is a gloss. Pampagloss lang ba siya or pang paano? Top coat nakasulat eh. Base color, top coat. Para tayong magmamanicure ng labi natin. So I have nothing on my lips. Guys, take note, hindi ako nanonood ng kahit anong video regarding this Kiko Milano. So kung may mali akong gagawin, I take full responsibility. One dip, covered na my entire lips. Ang sinabi lang is antayin mag-set yung base color. It's been 2 minutes. Okay, konting ano pa. Kasi may mga ano pa. Ayan. Konting antay pa. Huwag tayo masyadong excited. Okay, so habang nag-aantay, I'm going to just contour my nose lang naman. By the way, guys, sa mga susunod na araw, asahan nyo na, I'll be getting plumpier and plumpier because I'm almost 7 months pregnant. It is kiss-proof, it is transfer-proof. Ngayon ang tanong, lip gloss lang ba to? Or nakakatulong to as, you know, pang-seal? You know what? Yung sa taas, hindi ko lalagyan. Sa baba lang ang lalagyan ko. Okay, para tingnan natin kung may difference ba. Ay, be. Pag naglagay ka ng top coat, malalagyan yung brush. But, be, tingnan mo ta. Ang ganda. I mean, maganda na siya as a matte. Pero mas maganda siya with the gloss. Natatempa kong lagyan ng gloss lahat. Pero, kailangan natin testingin kung may tulong ba, kung may difference ba, diba? Kaya hindi ko lalagyan yung taas. Kahit mukha kong syunga, nasa bahay lang naman ako. Anyway, so ito na yung finished product natin. We're going to see kung hanggang saan tayo dadalhin ni Tirtir Cushion Foundation. This is from Korea, by the way. Akala ko Japanese brand siya, pero nakasulat made in Korea eh. And then tingnan natin kung gaano ka long lasting to at kung worth it ba to sa, my God, 1,050 pesos.
I don't know where she came from. Kinda turned me upside down. I just don't know what to do. I wanna spend the night at hers and bring her one of my t-shirts so it smells like her perfume. Now I really get what the love songs are talking about, and I just wanna tell her how I feel, scream it out loud. Have you ever been in love? Have you ever lost your head?
Guys.
Have you felt like you were out of breath when you saw her in that dress? When your heart is beating fast and you're sweating and you can't stop looking at her smile, then you've been in love. That's how you know you've been in love. There's something about the way she laughs and the way she always dances when she thinks nobody sees. When she's gonna miss her so, I tell her, baby, please don't go.
It's 6:08, you guys.
And I really get what the love songs are talking about. Oh, and I just wanna tell her how I feel.
Hey guys, so this is the final look for today. It's already 9:15 and nilagay ko tong mga around 9:30 in the morning. Oo. Okay, so tingnan muna natin yung final itsura ng face ko and yung lips. So this is the face. And the lips. Unahin muna natin yung Tirtir Mass Fit Red Cushion. This mini version is just around 600 to 700 pesos range. Depende kung saan ka bibili. So that price is actually quite normal for a Korean brand na cushion. Although in a mini version. Pero you guys, feeling ko hindi niya kailangan bumili ng full size. Feeling ko makaka-survive na kayo sa mini because a little literally goes a long way. Siguro, pwede kayong bumili ng regular size if talagang na-in-love kayo sa product na to. Pero kung gusto niyo lang siyang subukan, like what I did, subukan niyo muna yung mini and see for yourself kung magugustuhan niyo. Pero ako personally, this cushion for me is good for every day. With a very hydrated skin, well-prepped skin, ang ganda ng lapat niya sa skin. Pero if you have dry skin, like any other cushion, meron pa rin siyang tendency na mag-cling sa mga dry patches. Pero honestly, nagustuhan ko yung lapat niya sa skin, nagustuhan ko yung itsura ng skin skin ko, lalo na nung nag-blend na siya. Pero, syempre, mas magugustuhan ko siguro siya. 100% siguro yung pagka-fall in love ko sa kanya if I got the right shade. This is like a shade lighter than my skin tone. At isa pa yun sa kailangan yung i-consider when buying this cushion, make sure you get the right shade. It's better to apply it na thin layer and then i-build up nyo lang depende sa coverage na gusto nyo. Sabi nila, this is full coverage. It could be, pero I swear, feeling ko cakey na siya by that time na. By the time na na-reach nyo yung full coverage potential niya. So this for me is more on the light to medium coverage lang. Kasi pag ginamit nyo yung full potential niya na full coverage, it's going to look cakey. Longevity-wise, I did not set it. I did not use a setting spray. And nagtagal siya yung flawless niya for probably like half of the day. Pero yung next half, unti-unti na siyang mag-fade. May mga nagsasabi transfer proof daw. Hindi naman. Kitang-kita ko yung white t-shirt ko. Oh, yung mga nadikitan ko ng ganyan. Oh, meron. Nadidikit pa rin siya. To make it last like longer, kailangan gamitin talaga ng setting spray. Not necessarily setting powder. Well, depende sa'yo kung gusto mong mawala yung parang a little bit of sheen niya. Actually, hindi nga siya dewy. Hindi siya dewy finish. Satin finish siya. Pero overall, nagustuhan ko naman siya. Lalo na for the price that I paid for this. Tapos, a little goes a long way pa. Hindi ko alam kung ilang beses kung kailangan sabihin yung a little goes a long way. Pero maniwala kayo, a little goes a long way. But I'm not saying na it's life-changing. Gaya ng ibang mga kiniklaim na mga influencers. So, well, depende sa'yo. Malay mo, baka talagang bongga yung effect sa skin mo. Now, for the Kiko Milano Unlimited Double Touch. It is very long-lasting and powerful. And pag nag-fade siya, hindi siya nagtutuklap. Hindi siya yung parang, alam mo yung kitang-kita talagang nabawasan yung inner corners. It is waterproof, it is kiss-proof, it is transfer-proof to some extent. Ito, wala itong problema kung inom ka ng water, ng coffee, ng juice, kung kakain ka ng sandwich, ng mga pika-pika, mga ganyan, talagang magtatagal siya. At nakita nyo naman, kumain ako ng noodles na may sabaw na tom yum. Yon, medyo ma-oily yon at nagtagal pa rin siya. Pero asahan nyo, pagkatapos yung kumain, yung pagiging transfer proof niya, it's not 100% anymore. Magkakaroon na ng minimal transfer here and there. At habang tumatagal, nawawala na talaga yung parang defense mechanism niya, kung ano man yun. Kita nyo naman, di ba? Pero may natira pa din. Pero this is a deep color. So pag bumili kayo ng a nude color or pink color, asahan nyo hindi ganito ka-intense yung pigment na matitira. Pero yung claim na long wearing, yes, tayo dyan, kasi nagtagal naman siya. Etong gloss na to, it's just a gloss. It does not help with the longevity or the transfer proofness. It's just a simple gloss in my experience. Kasi parehas lang naman ang nangyari. Hindi naman siya parang tumibay lalo. Ngayon guys, this for me is comparable dun sa L'Oreal Infallible. The only difference is ito may option kang gawin siyang gloss. Ang kinalamang lang nito is ang ganda ng glossy effect. Ang ganda ng gloss. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. And I feel like I'm going to purchase a lighter or nude shade. Hindi ko naaasahan yung staying power nun. Ang habol ko talaga is the itsura ng gloss. Kasi ang ganda nga. Ang juicy. Hindi siya yung parang oily, magrasa. Well, yeah, mukha siyang oily, pero mukha siyang sexy oily. Alam mo yun? So, is this worth it for the price point? Well, it's sorta kinda, dito sa Pinas, makakonsider na siya as a high-end brand. So, kung may budget ka, sige go, itry mo to. Lalo na kung gusto mo ng transfer-proof tapos glossy. Pero kung ayaw mo naman ng glossy, ang habol mo lang is yung transfer-proof tapos matte, you can go for the L'Oreal Infallible. Kasi yon mas mura kesa dito. Pero ang kinalamang lang talaga nito is you have the option to use it as a gloss at the brand name itself na Kiko Milano. Yun lang, honestly, ang kinalabag niya. Pero longevity, alam mo, parehas sila ni L'Oreal Infallible. Na-wear test ko kasi yun. Hindi ko lang nilabas yung video kasi kailangan nyo pa ba yun? Comment it down below kung kailangan nyo pa ng wear test nun. Pero ayan, napagbigyan ko na yung mga requests ninyo. So I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa video natin for today. Anyway, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye!